You will have an amazing time that you spend in Singapore. It's a beautiful country, it's clean, it has fresh air, and it also has a very, very good healthcare network. Consider though that the healthcare facilities in Singapore, being top-notch, are quite expensive as well. Next to Hong Kong, Singapore is probably the most expensive country to receive medical care within Asia. Hence, having a good medical insurance is probably one of the most important points to consider. Singapore is also a very highly regulated market, which requires you to have an onshore licensed compliant insurance policy. Providers such as Bupa, Interglobal, AIG Chartis are licensed in Singapore and are able to offer you a locally compliant insurance product. Apart from choosing the right insurer, it's also very important to choose the right benefits. The basic insurance or the compulsory insurance coverage is the so-called inpatient hospitalization cover. It covers you typical for surgeries, maybe for major cases such as accidents as well. If you require, you can then top up your inpatient cover with the so-called outpatient benefits. That includes your daily trips to the doctors, your outpatient medication, your diagnostic testing, etc. If you are in a stage where you plan a family, then maybe the optional maternity benefit should be added on as well, and possibly dental or optical cover. We understand that there are many insurance providers generally available on the international insurance market, and it can be quite difficult to find the best insurance product for yourself or for your family. So what we do in Global Assurance is we do advise clients, depending on their personal needs, depending on their current health status, depending on their financial budget, which insurance policies could be suitable, and narrow it down to probably the best policy available for their situation. As a matter of fact, if you need any advice or if you have any queries on your health insurance policy that you should purchase while you're in Singapore, please feel free to contact us on Global Assurance anytime.
You know, you're treated different if you don't have some type of insurance.
It's not like it's a drawn-out process. You can have coverage. It's easy.
I called all my doctors and made appointments so I could get in and get healthy again.
It's the best feeling to know that somebody cares now.
I feel better than I ever felt. It's working.